When driving down by the riverfront and in neighborhoods in Evansville, you may see a man rolling a huge tire with an all-true message written on the side: "Cancer sucks." That man's name is DeAndre Wilson. He is rolling the tire in honor of his late father, who passed away from liver cancer a little over 3 years ago.
My father was rolling this tire while he was battling stage 4 liver cancer. After he had passed away, I received all of his things, so I had this tire. It sat in the garage for quite some time. I got it out, started rolling the tire myself. I did it because, number one, I wanted to get in shape. And I remember him always saying, you know, it's a full body workout, so you'll be just fine. He always preached that. He was in shape. His entire life. He ran track and he wanted to be a bodybuilder. And from that motivation, from hearing him say that, I picked this up, I started rolling it, and I feel like as I roll this tire, he's with me all the time. So this is, keeping his legacy alive. It's been a great process. I love rolling this tire. It's like my escape.
Along with getting a great workout, Wilson also gets plenty of community support as well, but it wasn't something he expected.
It's something I didn't anticipate happening. So as I'm rolling the tire throughout the community, throughout neighborhoods, people will come off their porch and either help me roll the tire or flip the tire themselves, or tell me what they're going through, their personal experiences or an illness that they're going through.
He also found himself giving support right back.
I'm actually getting some real hard information being told to me. I don't really know how to deal with it, so what I'm learning as I go is I just listen. And I think a lot of people value to have someone just to listen.
Wilson makes rolling the tire look so easy, I wanted to try it myself, and quickly found it's not as easy as it looks, especially when the tire is bigger than you. But that's okay. He gave me a little support too. He plans on rolling on through winter, summer, spring, and fall. But for how long?
My father was rolling the tire up until he passed away, so he was in his 50s, so I want to roll the tire into my 50s, or even 60s if possible.
His goal of rolling 12 miles in a row has been achieved. The next is 13. But the biggest has yet to come.
I'm going to work my way up to 20. That's the major goal because I want to set a Guinness World Record.
And how does he think his father would react to him following in his footsteps?
So I could only imagine if he could see this today, he'd probably break down in tears of pure excitement.
Roll on, my friend. Kelly Austin, TriStateHomepage.com.